Presenting the Buick 2016 LaCrosse Sport Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include Driver Confidence Package Number 1, Experience Buick Package, Sport Touring 1SH, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, Bose Centerpoint Premium 11-speaker surround sound, CD player, MP3 decoder and premium 7-speaker audio system feature. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.